Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Muqeed and today we are going to see about the client administration in SAP system. So your takeaway from this session is at the end of the session you will know what is SAP, what is a client in SAP system, and you will know the different clients what we have in SAP system by default, and you will be able to perform the client administration. So what is a client? Client in SAP system is an area in a database with data where a user works, and it is a logical entity in SAP system through which user can access the data stored in the database in the form of records and feed values. And the client can be any number between 000 to 999. But remember one thing, the 000, 001 and 00066. These three clients are standard clients which comes default with every SAP system whatever you will perform the installation. And let's see the next thing. So as I told you, these are the three standard clients what we have in SAP system: the master client, the support client, and the early watch client. By using the master client 000, one can access all the standard tables and data via the master client, and one should never use 000 for performing any customization or for developing any new objects. In simple, the development things you should not perform in the master client. It should be used only to confirm the post installation activities, like for creating the admin users, configuring the TMS, scheduling the housekeeping or standard jobs, or creating new clients or performing the local copies of client. So this is all you should do in a master client. And the master client can also be used for applying the patches to the SAP system. The standard users of the client are SAP star and the DDIC. Next, what we have is 001 client, that is a support client. So let's see what is the support client all about. One can use a support client to configure the entire business process, and as well it accepts the best example for development and customizing client. So in simple, like, it is like support for you. The standard users are SAP star and the DDIC, and the passwords are standard passwords, that is 0607 1992 and 1992 0607 for both the users. The last client, the standard whatever we had seen, is the early watch client. It is used by SAP only to perform or generate EWA reports, that is the early watch alerts report. EWA report comprises of the solution given by SAP through which one have to maintain their system. It comprises of all the information and about the parameters related to OS, DB, application and database. It also have clear information about the programs which takes high response times, and also you will get the suggestions to fix it. Standard users of this client are SAP Star and Early Watch and DDIC. And the passwords are like 0606 1992. So this is all about your standard clients what we have in SAP system. The next thing what you are going to see on the screen is the client administration. So in the client administration right now, we are going to see about creating a client, performing a local client copy, and how to check the logs of the client copy which is running or after the completion, how to check whether it got completed or not, and how to delete a client with data, without data, how to perform a remote client copy, and how to perform the client export, and how to do the post client import activities. So as you can see on the right hand side, I had given the T codes used for performing this kind of activities. So right now we are going to see about how to create and how to perform the local client copy and how to check the logs. In the part 2, I am going to show you how to delete a client copy with data by going to the T code SCC file, and the last three things about the remote and client export and import. We will see these three things after our transport management system classes, after the TMS classes, because you will understand that three things when you are aware about the transport management system and about the RFCs. So this is all about your client administration, what we are going to see now. So let's go to our system. So this is our system. So let's create a client. As we had seen, we have to go for SCC4. So I'm going to SCC4. So as you can see here, these are the three different standard clients what we have in SAP system. And if you will see what are the roles, means what are the options they have selected by default: changes and transport for client specific objects, no changes allowed; cross client object changes are allowed; protection level, no overwriting; cat and ecat, not allowed. Cat and ecat, like, it is used for functional teams for testing tools and all. So if you will see in 001, it is allowed automatic recording of changes, no restrictions, and it is not allowed. So how to create a new client? So we will create development client, go for a change, the table is cross client, okay, fine, no problem, go for new interface. So what is the client you want to create? For example, let's say I want to create a development client with the name as development client, and the client number is 100. City, for example, Hyderabad. The logical system right now, after the creation of the client, we will assign the logical system. Standard currency for India, INR, and the client role, what I want to give is customizing. So depending upon the kind of requirement, you have to go for accordingly. But to perform a local client copy, I suggest you to first go for customizing, then later on you can change it. So customizing, save this thing, and with this you have created a client. So the next thing what we have to perform is local client copy. How to do that? Just log in once again, but not in 000. We have to log in into the 100 client whatever we have created. The user will be SAP star and the password will be PASS. Pass. Password is only 4 letters password. PASS. Pass. So you got this page. Go for next. If you are not setting the parameters of control of SAP star as 0, you will get the error. So you have to set that profile parameter what I have shown you in the previous class about the post activities. So now go for SCCL to perform a local client copy. Whenever you will create a new client, it will not have any data, Any data means about the roles, anything whatever we have in SAP system, it will be an empty client. So selected profile, select the profile what you want. I want to go for everything, so SAP all. Source client, what is a source client? From where you want to copy? 000, go for it. Source client 000, go for schedule as background job. So yes, go for next. You can select or you can keep it as blank, no problem. By default it is going to select this thing only, and I want to go for immediate. Okay, so just select this thing and go for schedule job. So you are going to get this page, just click on continue. So background job was successfully scheduled, log is displayed in SEC3. Okay, fine. So this is how you have to schedule a background job for this thing. And the system what I am running right now is this thing. So this is a slight different in the NetWeaver release. What I am using right now is 7.4. If you will go for 7.01 and 7.0, for the first time when you will perform a client copy, it will give you one message stating that to run a wizard. So there you have to click on the wizard. No need of worrying anything. When you will run for the first time a SECLT code, and if you will select all the things, when you will go for next, it is going to display the thing. So just click on the wizard at as per the instruction what you are getting on the screen. Just click on the wizard, go for next, 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 then complete, then automatically it will come back, then go for next. By default it will take you to the next screen what I got on this, or what you had seen right now. So right now I'm running on 11.2.0.2.0 with the Oracle, and my SAP release, if you want to check, I think already is like my system memory is very low, and on that I'm running a client copy, and on that I'm searching for a version, so it is taking a lot of time. I shouldn't have run this thing. Okay, as you can see the release is 740 with the version as SP8, and you are able to see only few software components because I have selected only few components, or by default it has came a few components because I had installed the NetWeaver 7.4 system, the platform. I have not installed the ECC, the complete package. I had selected only the NetWeaver release 7.4 SR2 system. So this is all about you. And how to check the logs is go for SEC3. You will see there the list of client copies whatever we have kept. So select whatever you want to check and you can check there. So it is taking some time to check like how much it got completed. So just wait for a while till it get show the result of what we are searching. Okay, as you can see here, so the client copies in the client 101, and the source is 000 and it is in processing mode. So let's see the log, what is happening inside, or how many tables it had copied till now. So it is still in processing, it has not started the copying of tables. So the number of tables are 9257. It is less. Why? Because it is a NetWeaver system with less components. If you go for ECC system, it will be like more than 50 or 40,000 of tables. So it will start increasing and it will get completed, and after completed you will be able to see, in place of processing you will be able to see as completed. If it is getting cancelled, it will be as cancelled. So this is all about your client administration. And for the remote, sorry, for client deletion, check the client administration part 2 video.